bulk carrier collided with anchored service ship, Singapore. Bulk carrier PIREAS collided with anchored Malaysian service ship POLARIS at around 0630 February 9 on Johor Strait anchorage, Singapore, while approaching Tanjung Pelepas, en route from Australia. Judging from track, PIREAS turned STB, reduced speed and probably went out of control, drifting onto POLARIS forecastle. Damages probably aren't heavy. POLARIS remained anchored. PIREAS resumed moving after collision, and was berthed at around 0830 Collision or contact can be clearly seen on video. Bulk carrier slowly drags along, contacting POLARIS forecastle. Service ship POLARIS, IMO 9,810,599, GT 3128, built 2017, flag Malaysia, manager Malaysia Maritime Dept. Bulk carrier PIREAS, IMO 9,342,853, DWT 76,598, built 2006, flag Greece, manager CHRONOS Shipping.